Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen on PS5. First, ensure your Cronus Zen device is updated with the very latest firmware. This is a crucial first step for compatibility and optimal performance. Next, connect your Zen to a personal computer using the provided mini USB cable. You'll then need to download and install the Cronus Zen Studio software, which is your central hub for all configurations and updates. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Now let's connect your Zen to the PlayStation 5. Take a high-quality USB cable and plug one end into the Zen's a 3 USB port, then the other end into an available USB port on your PS5 console. Next, connect your official, licensed PlayStation 5 controller directly into the Zen's a 1 USB port. It's vital that all connections are firm. The Zen's OLED screen should then illuminate, indicating it's in the correct operational mode, ready for action. With your Zen connected, it's time to load your preferred game packs or custom scripts. Open the Cronus Zen Studio software on your personal computer and head over to the Programmer tab. From there, you can easily drag and drop your chosen game pack or script onto one of the Zen's 8 available memory slots. Before programming, take a moment to configure any specific game pack settings or script parameters directly within Zen Studio to tailor them to your gameplay style. Finally, launch your favorite game on the PlayStation 5 and confirm that your Zen device is properly recognized. You can then use the Zen's intuitive onboard menu, typically accessed by pressing specific button combinations on your controller, to fine-tune settings and make real-time adjustments without needing your personal computer. It's crucial to thoroughly test your loaded game pack or script in-game to confirm all functionalities are working as expected, and to make any final tweaks for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.